What if you checked your bank account and instead of closing the app in panic, you actually smiled? That feeling when you stop doing math before buying coffee, when groceries do not stress you out anymore. There is a specific number where that shift happens, and it is not $1 million. It is not six figures. It is $20,000. And once you hit it, everything about your life changes. Here's what nobody talks about. When you have no savings, your brain runs in something called survival mode. Every single decision is driven by fear. You stay in a job you hate because you cannot afford to quit. Your boss treats you badly and you stay quiet because that paycheck is coming in 3 days. You can't think about the future because today is already on fire. This is not a money problem. This is a brain problem, and money fixes it. Research from Vanguard shows that having just $2,000 in savings increases your financial well-being by 21%. $2,000. That's less than most people spend on a phone. But when you push that number to 20,000, something completely different happens in your brain. You stop asking, "How do I survive until Friday?" and you start asking, "How do I grow this money?" You stop reacting to life and you start designing it. That's the real value of $20,000, not the money itself, but what it does to your thinking. Now here's where it gets exciting. If you save $1,000 every month and earn an 8% return, your first $20,000 takes about 19 months. That's real work, real discipline. But your second $20,000 takes only 17 months because now your money is working alongside you. By the time you have $400,000 invested, your portfolio generates a new $20,000 every 5 months automatically. You did not work harder. You did not take more risk. The math just started working in your favor. This is called compound interest, and it is the only legal cheat code in personal finance. $20,000 also changes your career forever. When you're broke, you're trapped. You need every paycheck, so your boss has all the power. But $20,000 gives you what I call walking away money. You could quit tomorrow and survive comfortably for months. Now here's the crazy part. You probably never even use it, but just knowing it's there changes how you show up at work. You ask for the raise. You push back when something is unfair. You take on bigger challenges. People notice, better opportunities come, and you build wealth even faster. But here's where most people blow it. They hit $20,000 and immediately spend it. A new car, a vacation, a house they can't really afford. Do not do that. That $20,000 is not a reward. It's the foundation of everything that comes after. That $30,000 car could have grown to $200,000 in 20 years. The person driving the fancy new car is usually stressed about money. The person driving the older, reliable car is quietly building real wealth. $20,000 will not make you rich overnight, but it will permanently change how you think about money, how you show up at work, and what opportunities you can actually take. It's the difference between surviving and building a life you actually designed. Start today, because the version of you 10 years from now is counting on the decision you make right now. Trust me, they'll thank you for it.